Hello and welcome to a quick tutorial on how to install a font on your computer so you can use it in Pixlr. It essentially is the same as installing a font to be used in any tool. The difference is that you do need to close your browser and reload everything. So this video is going to be in two parts because I will have to close the browser in the middle of it. In the meantime here, I've gone ahead and gone to pixlr.com/editor, and I've started a new image. And I've only done that just to set this little tutorial up. Across the top here are a variety of different pieces, and I'm going to go to the one that says fonts and free fonts. And that's going to take me to this little site called thehungryjpeg.com. It's a cute little site that has a bunch of little freebies here. And I'm going after a free font. And so I'm going to go ahead and scroll down and find a font that appeals to me for this particular piece. And I'm going to use this Let It Snow font. Now, of course, that may not be appropriate. So I'm sorry. Let me start back again here to Kimmy Retro as a font. And this is just a sample. And this particular site is a one of many free font sites that you can get to in the world. So all sorts of different kinds of things that you can do. But this is one. So I'm going to click on Kimmy Retro. And I've gone ahead and registered for the site. So I did have to go through that process. But now that I'm registered, I can just simply click on download. And what that's going to do for me is download the font. Now I'm in Chrome and my downloads appear in the lower left. And I have opened it in my Finder. If I'm on a Windows PC, chances are that this would land in your download folder as it does here on your Mac. And most of the time, these fonts come to us as zipped files. So whether you're on a PC or a Mac, you do need to unzip them. So I'm going to right click on this and I'm going to, on the Mac, click on Open With and then the Archive utility. On the Windows PC side, you might have a couple different tools, but basically you want to unzip it or decompress it. And what that does is creates a subfolder of that. I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. And then in there, you want to look for the file that is the font file. And they come in a variety of flavors, but this one ends in a .ttf or true type font. And I'm going to go ahead and double click on that. And on the Mac here, it shows me what that looks like. And it tells me it's not installed right now. I just have to simply click on install font. And it churns away for a moment. And you can see that the font is installed, and that is all there is to installing a font. Very similar process on the PC side. So now I'm coming back to my browser here, and unfortunately, if I were to simply click on my type tool and start typing it out, I can even show you. This is Kimmy Retro. That's the name of the font that I chose. But I'm actually playing, I had played with a different font previously. If I click on my drop down here and I go to Kimmy, whatever, it's simply not there. So where is it? So the thing I need to do on these browser-based pieces is I'm going to click on no. I want to go ahead and exit that. The important part here is that I need to exit Chrome altogether, which means I'm going to have to stop this video. So I'm going to go ahead and stop this video and I'll be back in a moment. Actually, let me go ahead and manually stop it.